Other interesting thing that I find about Indian desserts is the use of vegetables. Like I had no idea that petha was made out of kaddu or whatever
Kaddu.
it is made out of.
Yes,
You know, I
yes.
just thought, what is this really translucent, lovely marshmallowy? Not really marshmallowy, but like it's like a
Like a
boiled sweet.
jujube
Yeah,
thing. Yeah.
jujube thing.
Yeah.
And then in Agra, when I actually saw how they were making it, I said, that's fascinating. You've taken kaddu, which
Yeah.
otherwise you wouldn't even associate with anything
Meetha.
meetha.
And you've just dunked it in syrup and made
Yeah,
this thing.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
It's unbelievable. Similarly, all our halwas, gajar,
Gajar
dudi.
ka halwa,
Yeah,
yeah. Gajar ka halwa is huge. Dudi ka halwa is again. I mean, lauki ka halwa ban raha hai. Like
yeah,
otherwise, kids don't eat lauki. I mean,
correct.
these
You
days,
think they're getting any benefit out of eating
no,
lauki ka halwa?
no.
After-
Next is palak ka halwa.
Palak ka halwa.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might even taste good. Who knows?
Who knows? Yeah, can't say. But one of the things again that I found while I was shooting Lost Recipes was the use of these unusual ingredients. Pyaz ki kheer, lasan ki kheer,
Correct.
and then what I understood was it was related to seasons. Like lasan ki kheer gives you warmth in the winters. Pyaz ki kheer is cooling. So it's made in the summers, and I think it all comes out of experimentation. I don't think there was anyone would really go set out to make lasan ki kheer because
It tasted good.
it tasted good.
Yeah.
And even now when you're making lasan ki kheer, if you see the recipes, you have to boil the lasan
Till it
in
loses
water,
all its-
till it loses its lasaniness, till it loses the garlicky flavor, and then you cut it and you put it in the
Yeah.
milk.
Correct.
Similarly with onions. So I think there was a lot of experimentation, and
Yeah, it's probably the indulgence of those Nawabs and of Lucknow where all these keys, ande ka halwa comes
ande ka
out of there,
halwa. Yeah. The Parsis also have a lovely Ida Pak, which is an ande ka halwa.
Oh, is that so?
Yeah. We
Ida
did it in
Pak.
Udvada. It's
Ida Park. Hello, I know so many Parsi friends. Nobody's ever given me Ida Park. Come on.
IVM